Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Oh no, deny Zimba uvise abantu abaningi ebuhlungu ngemva kokuthi lapha ku-Instagram ayoshare a very heartbreaking post kule Easter lefundzeka ngale ndlela. I love you, Leah and Mila. Haven't seen or spoken to you since last Saturday. My body shows that I have had my children, but no children inside. God only knows why this is happening. The truth will always find its way. Love, Mama. Happy Easter. Nkosi yami ukhuluma ngebantu abakhipha amantombazane laba yethu Denise nendoda yakhe, they were fighting for i-custody yabantwana for isikhathi lesithi kakhulu lokwende ubaba wabantwana ukuthi agqina wina i-custody yabantwana uhamba nabo overseas wayohlala nabo, because it seems like i-breakup yakhe nabo abantwana, it was one of a messy breakup, and loko sekwenta nje abantwana basale sebasenqushunqushini. Yes, people felt ukuthi bantwana kumele bahlale namakwabo, especially bantwana bemantombazane. So people felt ukuthi it's really not fair for bantwana and for yena as a mom ngokuthi bantu bakhe bahambe bohlala nendoda while yena khona aphila. Worst part futhi bahlala like overseas, like they're not from like South Africa, they don't live in South Africa. So people felt ukuthi this is really unfair for bantwana and for naye as a mom, because bantwana babohlala lekuthini lena yibabona sikhathini yibabona nini, njengoba bhala lapha ku-Instagram kokuthi ugqine ekhuluma nabo last Saturday, meaning ukuthi khona inkinga lento ukuthi azange khona ikhuluma ngisho nebantu abakhe efonini. Ngenteka ukuthi mhlambe the ex-husband uyamfasisela when it comes to talking to bantwana bakhe, or bahlala bamnika ama-excuses ukuthi angakhulumi nebantwana. We don't know, but a lot is going on, and uyasho ukuthi iqiniso eqineni elitodiveda. Nkosi yami kwaze wabuhlungu as a mom. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.